Mechanical properties of material. In this lecture, we discuss the various mechanical properties of material. While designing a structure, the main concern of an engineer is that the structure should be able to withstand the stresses under the various load conditions without failure. In doing so, it is very essential for an engineer to have a complete information about the various properties of the material selected. So, the mechanical properties of a material are those which affect the mechanical strength and ability of a material to be molded in suitable shape. The properties of material under the action of external forces are known as mechanical properties. The mechanical properties which we discuss are stiffness, elasticity, toughness, malleability, ductility, hardness, plasticity, and strength. Now, elasticity. Elasticity is the property of material due to which the material is able to regain its original position on the removal of load. In other words, we can say the property by virtue of which deformation caused by applied load disappear upon removal of the load. Whenever body is subjected to load, then deformation occurs, and on removal of load, if the deformation disappears, then the body is said to be elastic. Steel and wrought iron are the example of elastic materials. Plasticity. If when the body is subjected to load, then permanent deformation occurs in body without rupture or failure, then the body is said to be plastic, and the property is plasticity. So, plasticity is the property by which a metal retains its deformation permanently when the external forces applied on it removed. This property is important in forming, shaping, and many other hot and cold working processes. Material such as clay, lead are plastic at room temperature. Strength. Strength काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी है फॉर सिलेक्टिंग एनी मटेरियल फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क. It is the property by which material opposes deformation or breakdown when subjected to force or load. Material which we finalize for our engineering products must have suitable mechanical strength to be capable to work under different mechanical forces or loads. Hardness. Hardness is the property of a material which enable it to resist plastic deformation, usually by penetration or indentation. और वी कैन से दैट कोई भी मटेरियल की एबिलिटी फ्रिक्शन को रेजिस्ट करने की या विथस्टैंड करने की. एसेंशियली एब्रेशन रेजिस्टेंस इज नोन एज हार्डनेस. डायमंड इज हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस known to man. It is difficult to scratch a diamond. However, while a diamond is hard, but it is not tough. There are various type of hardness measurement: scratch hardness, indentation hardness, rebound hardness. This figure shows Brinell hardness apparatus. This instrument is used to measure the hardness of materials. Next property is stiffness. Stiffness is force divided by deformation or deflection. So, the resistance of a material to elastic deformation or deflection is called stiffness. It is denoted by small k. The unit of measurement is Newton per meter, and the property is significant in designing of beam, shaft, spring, etc. The next property is toughness. Toughness is a property due to which the material is able to withstand shock and to be deformed without rupturing. Or we can say the ability of a material to deform plastically and to absorb energy is termed toughness. The key to toughness is a good combination of strength and ductility. अगर कोई मटेरियल की स्ट्रेंथ हाई है और डक्टिलिटी भी हाई होगी तो उसका जो टफनेस होगा वो भी हाई होगा. एंड इफ अ मटेरियल इज हैविंग लो स्ट्रेंथ बट हाई ductility, then the toughness of the material is also low. The one way to measure toughness is by calculating the area under stress strain curve from a tensile test, which is obtained from a tensile test. The value is simply expressed in energy per volume. Malleability. Malleability is a physical property of metal by which it can be hammered, pressed, or rolled into thin sheets without breaking. Or, in other words, the property of a metal to deform under compression and take a new shape. Gold is the most malleable metal. Gold is hammered into thin sheets. The figure shows gold is hammered to gold coins. Ductility. Ductility is the property of a material due to which it gets stretched into wire by pulling or drawing. It indicates that how easily a material gets deformed under tensile stress. This mechanical property is also an aspect of plasticity of material and is temperature dependent. With the rise in temperature, the ductility of material also increases. The figure shows a material on applying force, it stretches, and the difference of the length gives ductility of material. Thank you.